Mastering quotation marks, practice and application. Hello, English language learners. Today we'll dive deep into the world of punctuation, focusing specifically on the correct use of quotation marks alongside other punctuation marks. This topic might seem tricky at first, but don't worry, we're here to make it easier for you. Let's get started. Quotation marks, also known as inverted commas, are used to identify quotations, direct speech, and phrases or words that are used in a special or unusual sense. These tiny symbols are a fundamental part of English punctuation, and using them correctly can make your writing clearer and more professional. There are some general rules that we follow when using quotation marks. Let's take a look. 1. Direct quotations. Whenever we are quoting someone's exact words, we use quotation marks. For example, she said, "I am going to the market." 2. Titles. We use quotation marks for titles of articles, book chapters, songs, and TV episodes. For example, "Yesterday" is a song by the Beatles. 3. Words in a special sense. When we want to emphasize a word or a phrase in a different or unusual sense, we put them in quotation marks. For example, "I had an aha moment." Now let's see how quotation marks work with other punctuation marks. 1. Periods and commas. In American English, periods and commas always go inside the quotation marks, no matter the situation. For example, she said, "I am going to the market." 2. Question marks and exclamation points. These are a bit tricky. They go inside the quotation marks when they are part of the quote, and outside when they apply to the whole sentence. For example, did she say, "I am going to the market"? Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's put our knowledge into practice. Try to punctuate these sentences. 1. She said, "I am going to the market." Put the sentence she said in quotation marks. 2. He asked, "Did you read the article, Understanding Global Warming?" Add necessary punctuation. 3. She yelled, "Stop." Put the word she yelled in quotation marks. That wraps up our discussion on quotation marks and their usage with other punctuation marks. Practice makes perfect, so don't forget to keep applying these rules when you write. Remember, clear punctuation is a key aspect of effective communication in English. Thank you for joining today, and happy learning!